Okay, we're going to show you how to put together that 1336 Armillary Sundial. So put the parts on the table. You're going to need a screwdriver, so grab that. First we're going to attach the 3/4 circle band, and then we're going to put a plate on top of that base, and there's 2 screws with that. So let's place that band in the slot of the base, add the plate on top, and there's 2 screws with that. You're just going to tighten that down with your screwdriver. And that arc is going to slide back and forth. That's how you can adjust the angle of the sundial. You don't need to worry too much about that right now. When it's in the garden, you can tighten it to the angle that you'd like that looks best for you. But let's add this star-shaped bolt to the top. That's a tension bolt. That's what keeps it in one position. Okay? Now we're gonna add the time band to the sundial. Make sure there's a hole in the 12. Add that on there. Screw it in until it's tight. Make sure you have those numbers in the right sequence. All right. Now we've got this arc band. That can be a little trouble sometimes. There's a slight bend to the arc band. That's because we're trying to match it with the curvature of the time band. So if you find that it's not fitting right or doesn't line up with the holes, just flip it over. Put it on there, and then your screws should line up. Keep it a little bit loose right now. You can tighten it up after you complete the making of the sundial. So now we'll get the right hand side done. And then you're ready to add the arrow rod tail feather. So screw in the rod to the arrowhead. Place it in the hole at the top. Slide it down. Slide it through the other hole and then through that arc band. Now we're going to take that tail feather and just turn it clockwise until tight. And that's it. Once you have that down, you can get your screwdriver out again, tighten down the side bolt, the side screws a little bit, and just tighten that up. It's not super necessary to have it real tight, just so it doesn't jiggle around too much. All right, and now you're ready to put in the garden. So hope you enjoy it, and thanks for buying the Armillary Sundial by Rome.